Hello everyone. This is chapter 4. So yesterday, or you can say the last video, we have learned about the menu option, two option menu, and its retries. Today, what we will do, we will use form. Same thing. It is the same kind of language. It's the same kind of element. It's a menu element only. But the good thing is, in one form, we can create either a single option menu or multiple option menu. So that we'll cover today. Let me show you how to do it. So same project, we are using the same project, the first Cisco IVR. Inside that, we will go to the menu. In this menu, we have already used set two option menu for language selection. Now, what we will do, we will use the form element. So form elements will come under, let me just check, come under the form folder. Let's take the form element. The difference between the menu element and form element is, if you see the second in the option menus, there is only the specified. If it is a two option menu, there will be a two options available only. But in the inside the form, you can check that max tries are same. You can modify according to our convenience. But if you see that uh, these are the few things which is there, whether you want to use form as voice, whether you want to use DTMF or both. So currently we will use as a DTMF form. So if you look at the difference, as soon as I make it both, there is a confidence and the voice keyword come. But as soon as I go back to the DTMF, you will see the confidence and the voice is already gone, which is there actually in the static two option on 10 option menu. So how we will use that, I'll show you. So let's say after selecting Hindi language, what we will do, we will go, instead of transferring call back to the uh, agent, we will uh, send the call to the form element. Okay. So actually both we will send to the form element, Tamil language also and in Hindi language also. Both language we will send to the form element. Inside form, what we will do, we will first put our audio file. So this form element, you can put any amount of audio. I mean, your audio file contains option 1, option 2, option 3, option 10, any amount of options. Configuration actually you need to do inside settings. So I'm saying that the store menu. Let's say the store menu dot wave. This is my okay. So I'll say press 1 for booking, press 2 for uh, talk to agent, press 3 for cancel uh, last booking. So you can see three option I have selected, three option menu I have insert in my stored menu.wave. I'll go to the DTMF. What I will do, I will use the my uh, decision element tries. So combine tries I'll use for this menu. So first we'll make the combine tries. See, each element need to create a separate combination of these two elements. Okay, that is we need to be aware of. And if you see this, there is a done only. So form element DTMF checking is also a tricky thing that I'll also show you. So first we will change it to, we'll rename that, to store menu counter. Store menu counter. This is store menu counter. In the store menu colors, max input and max no match will go here. Then also we will change that to uh, store menu price. Now inside this again we need to modify the value. So language menu, instead of language menu counter, now this is my store menu counter, and same thing count. I will compare store menu counter value to 2. Max tries should be 2. If it is less than 2, it will goes to tries. If it is more than that, it will goes to max tries. So what we will do, we will send the max tries into connect disconnect. So we will send the max tries into disconnect, and we will send tries into the same menu. So the logic for the max tries is done, but remember that form, which is our store menu. So store menu only has one exit state. I'm copying this decision element, pasting here. I'll say why. Store menu have only one exit state done. So that means it is only accept this combination, max no match and max no input. This combination will only work for the no match, no input scenario, because the form element always, if you press anything, not 8, 10, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, anything you will press, it will goes to this trash. But if you don't press anything, means no input, it will goes to this counter. Once we debug, we'll check that. So first what we will do, we'll add grammar 1 option, key press. So this is the mandatory parameter, so you need to put some value here. Next is add DTMF, right click, add DTMF, right click. So here we'll do 1, 2 and 3. So 3 value we are doing it, 1, 2, 3. Apart from that, if anything comes, we will treat that no match. Okay, so no match, and our no match audio, we also need to place the no match audio. Right click, add audio item. Sorry, delete. Right click, add audio item, add audio group, no match audio, no input audio. So similarly, no match and no input also will go here. There is one tricky thing. I'll explain what we need to do. So first of all, we need to put the, so normally we will just copy paste whatever we have. Please enter correct value. Similarly, no match. Please enter correct value. No match of wave. The next is no input. No input. Same thing. Ni dot wave. So no match, no input done. So now we will go. The setting is also completed. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and in the audio item we have audio which says that press 1, press 1, press 2, and press 3. Okay, now this, we will make this element as an store menu digit check or DTMF check. DTMF check. So this is what it will do. This is very careful, just to focus on this what I am doing here. So R, this element which called store menu DTMF check, which is a decision element data, store menu decision DTMF check. What we need to check? We need to check element. Which element? We need to check the element of store menu. So what we will select here, store menu. So store menu what value you need to select. So this and this comes with the voice and best length and value confidence, useful for when you are using a voice or a speech integration. But currently we are only have the DTMF, so we'll use value. So store menu value, here we should not put greater than sign. Here we'll put equals to. Simple equals to sign, equals to numeric. If it is 1, 1. Go to option 1. Okay. And in this one, we will say no match. No match. I'll tell you why we are doing this. Then we have three options, so we need to add two more. Right click, right click. Similarly, we'll do here element data, store menu, value equals to numeric 2. Similarly, here element same thing, element data, store menu, value equals to numeric 3. So we have 2 and 3. So as soon as you do that and if you click on OK, you will see this will have these existed, 4 existed now. So for how 4? Because 1, 2, 3 we have placed and 1 is the no match. Let's say. So what we will do? Definitely our no match is going to do this counter only. Why? Because here we have put only one attempt. So after invalid one attempt, not the wrong, invalid means if you press a wrong value. So if you press any wrong value, it will go to done. Inside done, it will check whether it is matching to 1, 2, 3. It says no match, then it goes to the counter. The counter will check whether how many tries it has happened and goes to the store menu again. If it is max tries, then go back to the call disconnect. Now, and okay, one more thing, call disconnect must end with your audio file. So I'm just making this audio file. Yes, we will use page connector. We'll use later. Page connector is also possibilities, which will make this intersecting, avoid this intersecting values. So page connector we'll use later. So now what we will do, we will send for now we'll send all 1, 2, 3. All 3 option we will send to call disconnect. Okay. So for now we are sending all 3 value to disconnect. Let us try this. So 3 options we have done. Let us go validate. First, we always validate the project, because if there is any hidden value or you have missed something, this will appear actually in this section. If it is not appearing in this section, that means your project is error free. Warning is okay, because Java code is always have warning. So warning is fine. So for this, now it is correct. What we will do, we will debug Call Studio project. Similarly, we will wait until the connect button comes. We are waiting for that connect button. Once the connect button is appear, we will check our newly created form. This is little slow process, but that is how it is. We'll wait until the connect button appears. And then our testing will start. We will focus on our, because we have already covered the language menu. We have already covered 2 option language menu. We have already covered the others menu. We will focus on only on store menu. And we will change our, we will change if we have time today before 30 minutes or 20 minutes, we will put action menu and change our default language. That also will do. So we are waiting until it comes. The connect button will come. It should come by now. If it is not coming, then we need to interrupt the process and restart. Just wait for, we'll wait for 30 more seconds. If it is not happening, we need to take a restart. Is it coming? No, it is not coming. Terminate. We have terminated the process. We'll go back to the filter perspective. Debug is off. Let's take a restart. Restart. Sometimes my system will not restart. I need to go to manual pay. It's my system problem, not the Call Studio problem. So we'll take the restart and we'll do the same process again. The same thing. We'll go to the first. We will validate the project. Validation done. We'll go to the debug Call Studio project and launch the debug console. And the same thing will wait. We'll wait until the connect button appears. Okay, connect button is appeared. Now we will click on the connect. As soon as we click the connect, it will say our language menu. Now it is saying press 1 for Hindi, press 2 for Tamil. You will press 1 in the option. If you see, it has gone to our form element store menu. Now it is saying press 1 for booking, press 2 for talk to agent, press 3 for cancel your last booking. Okay, you last booking. So we'll change that. So now what I'll press 8. So by pressing 8, if it was my menu option, it should go to the lang menu because 8 is not configured. By the logic, it should go to here menu counter, but you will see 8 will come to store menu DTMF check. 8 is done. 8 clicked. Look at this. So 8 went where 8 went. It is clicked for booking 8. Again it reprompted. Again it has been reprompted because retries are capturing here itself. So I think it is done is working correctly. I mean the logic of 8 is working correctly. Let's press 3. Okay, now I'm pressing like one more time, press anything else. 9. So 9 also retries. One more time I'm pressing 0 and disconnected. So 0 is also wrong value, disconnected. Now the logic we will check again, connect. Now this time we'll press the correct value. Let's say first we'll say Hindi, then second we'll say 3. So as soon as we presses 3, it went to it passes away. It went correctly to here and goes away. Let's see language selection menu 1, and then in this press 1 booking, press 2 and you presses 3, so that means it came here. So it is working correctly. Let's connect one more time. This time will not press anything. So do not press anything. Let's say please enter any value. See, please enter any value. This NI audio played this time and no input audio. Again I'm doing, again I'm pressing. So please enter any value is playing. Let me press 8. Look at this. When I'm pressing 8, my no match audio is not playing. But if it is the static language menu, 2 option, 3 option menu, my no match was playing actually. But this is the problem with form. Form will accept any value and it is going back to this counter because we have put this check here. No match is going by this counter. That's why your no match is not playing. No input is playing. Look at this again. If I don't press anything, again no input played. But your no match is not playing. So to avoid this confusion, what we will do, let's clear this. Let me show you one more time. Now this time I'll press 3 times. Okay. No, sorry. Wrong value 3 times. So let's say 5. See 5. Ideally no nm dot wave should play. So look at this. Nm dot wave is not playing because our logic is going here, checking the DTM value and going to the counter. That is the reason it is not playing. 5 again, 5 again, and then disconnect. So to make it work, what we will do, we will add one no match audio file. No match audio, because no match will not working here. So what we will do, we will add one audio element. We will make the name of this audio element as an nm no match audio. Then this no match audio will connect here now, and this will, I'm placing roughly somewhere, we'll change that through page connector. We'll modify those and we'll clean up later. We'll do that. Currently I'm putting that here nm, and here I am playing my no match audio file. Just copying the content. I'm copying the no match content and m dot wave, where and m dot wave and m dot wave. See, and here also we will change to cancel out last one. Save, and then this will connect to store menu counter. Now we will validate that. Again validation, no errors, debug call studio project. Debug is happening. Let's wait for connection. We'll wait for some time for connection. Yeah, connection came. We have presses the button. We have chosen Tamil language. Now we will press 5. Now you will see. Look at this. When you press 5, please enter correct value. This is playing, but this is playing from where? This is playing from your new element nm dot wave. Then again goes back to the this. Then I presses 9. Please correct the value. Prompt displaying because it's an this audio file. Look at this. Complete path is also coming from where it is playing, and this is the physical path you need to place your prompt. Again, I am pressing 9, which is not there, and disconnected the call. Thank you, and disconnect the call. So that's how your form works with your others element. So we have now we know about the language 2 option menu, the form, the action element. In the next video, we will update the language menu in the running call and also learn about little bit of page connector and etc. Thank you very much. I need your support. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends who want to learn IVR College Studio application. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.